I will guide you through how to create a PayPal account. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribe and like the videos. First, open your browser and visit paypal.com. On the top right corner of the screen, click the Sign Up button. Then, choose Individual Account if you're creating the account for personal use. Next, enter your email address. Make sure the email you use is active because PayPal will send important notifications there. After that, enter your phone number, which also needs to be active for verification purposes. After entering the phone number, you can choose a password. Make sure the password is strong and secure. Continue by filling in your personal information, including your nationality, first name, last name, ID type, for example, national ID, ID number, and date of birth. You will also need to enter your full address, including address line 1, city, postal code, and region. Address line 2 is optional. Once all the details are filled in correctly, click Agree and create account. Congratulations! Your PayPal account has been successfully created and is ready to use. You can now link your bank account or card to make transactions.